Hey guys, this is Sasha the Guy, and today I want to show you how to use tinybio to run single-cell RNA-seq analysis with sRNA. And we're going to be running this analysis today on one of the tutorial datasets that's in your tutorial datasets folder in cloud storage. You'll see it here under single-cell RNA-seq tutorial. So all you have to do is you just chat. So we can do, hey, can you please cluster the single-cell RNA-seq data into 10 clusters and give me a UMAP visualization of the data. So now what's going to happen is that tinybio will, one, take a look inside of its cloud storage to see, kind of like find what files are likely relevant to the query, and it will use intern to actually write an R script that is going to load in sRNA, create the sRNA object, do quality control, normalization, scaling, dimensionality reduction, the clustering, and then finally the UMAP visualization. And so what it's doing right now is actually writing the script, and now it's actually running it. So one of the features of tinybio that's very, very interesting is that not only does it write and execute the code that it writes, is that sometimes it also makes mistakes in the code that it writes. But the cool thing about it is that when it executes it, it actually uses the error messages that it has received to try again to complete the task. So in this use case, it looks like there was some issue with the percentage of mitochondrial reads not being able to be found, and so it's going to incorporate that feedback into the script that it writes and try to run it again. All right. Let's give it one more second. So it's running the code right now, and it's very common for tinybio to kind of do a couple of tries to get the code to write correctly, but usually it gets to the right point. Now, in this use case, we're specifically asking for it to run a specific analysis with sRNA, but we support many applications with tinybio. So we support things like DE-seq, cluster profiler, SAM tools. So a lot of the applications that you would expect, we support. Just take a look in our manuals, and you'll see the support applications there. Okay, cool. So we should see our stuff uploaded here, and it looks like the UMAP visualizations are here. So again, it's very, very easy to write and do single-cell RNA-seq analysis with tinybio, and you can even take a look at the scripts that it's using to generate a lot of this information. So you can see here's all of it. Here's the script that it used to generate the cluster, and you can copy it and use it in your own analysis, or have tinybio rerun it on a different data set. All right, cool. Thank you guys.